You looking to find out more about the Cumming Georgia real estate market? Well, you come to the right place. As we're diving deep into this hyperlocal market in Cumming, Georgia, and we're doing it right now. Let's do it. My name's John McCoy, Keller Realty, Chattahoochee North. Been a realtor for 12 years, been a Atlanta native for 45, and I love bringing you, my audience, the latest numbers when it comes to the Atlanta real estate market so you can be the most informed buyers and sellers out there. Today, we're talking Cumming, Georgia. So, without further ado, let's get to these numbers. All right, starting with an overview of single-family homes here in Cumming, Georgia. We're talking about 2.87 months of inventory here. Sales list price ratio at 98.3%. 21 days on market, and a median sold price of $617,500 here in the Cumming, Georgia area. So everything's ticking along at a good pace. Median sales price definitely higher here than other areas in Metro Atlanta. As we know, Cumming, Georgia, super popular area, great school systems here. A lot of people wanting to move to this area. If I look at townhomes and condos, months of inventory, 2.83 months of inventory, 97.1% sales to list price ratio, 16 days on market. The median sold price of $385 here in Cumming, Georgia. So both of these markets still very much in a seller's market. If you're watching this video and you're looking to list your home and you kind of want to know what the maybe value is of your home, I put a link down below. Click on it, you fill in your information, and you'll get an instant value for your home. Of course, if you put your information in, yes, I'm a real estate agent, I will contact you. Some of you out there may just be looking to just put it in there just to get an idea. You're not looking to sell right now, and that's perfectly fine. You want to kick the tires a little bit? Awesome. If you are looking to sell within the next year or so or less, when I contact you, I'd love to talk with you more, get over to your home, take a look at it, give you a more accurate idea of what your home could sell for. But that is below. Again, not going to bug you, but I will contact you if you do put your information in below. Like I said, keeping it real here. So again, that link's below. Let's continue on. Let's go a little deeper into these numbers. Let's first look at this median estimated property value. So again, this isn't the sold values of properties. This is taking all the properties that are in Cumming, Georgia for single family on this chart, and just a second for condos and townhomes, and just giving an estimated value of them based on the trends that are happening here. Now, the red and yellow lines down here, this represents the red, the US, the yellow, the state of Georgia. The orange line here represents the county we're in, which is Forsyth County, and the blue represents the city, which we're talking about, Cumming, Georgia here. So we can see Forsyth and Cumming kind of have the same trend, except Forsyth sells a little bit higher than other parts of Cumming. So that's interesting there. But those are the numbers. And we can see median estimated value of a single family home here, $643,100. Again, I mean, look what happened. Pandemic just jumped tremendously here when a lot of people were looking for more space to move, could telecommute. A lot of people were moving out to Cumming, Georgia, and this area has just exploded. Lots of construction. You can find a lot of new construction, both not just townhomes and condos like you see in a lot of metro areas, but you can also find a lot of single family homes out here. Just know you're going to be paying a higher price out here. 3.5% change year over year. So we're looking at a little bit more than what we've seen in inflation numbers here. So values have gone up here in Cumming, Georgia. Look at townhomes and condos here. Median estimated price is $466,960. So a good bit higher than what we see in Georgia, what we see in the US here in Cumming, Georgia. High value here. I think a lot of people just, again, want to kind of get into this area. So there are some townhomes, especially that have sold here at a higher price. Value of 4.5% higher than what we saw last year here. Take a quick look at active. So these are homes that are currently on the market but not under contract or haven't sold. So 570 properties. Cumming takes up a huge area, lots of homes here. 570 properties on the market. Median list price of $699,990 and 53 days on market. So if it's not selling, it's active, staying all around a little bit longer here in Cumming, Georgia. I take a look at condos and townhomes, median list price of $500,000. And again, a lot of new construction out here. So there's definitely some new construction that's causing these prices to go up some. 63 homes on the market, median days on market's 39. It's interesting that it seems like the condo and townhome market may be a little bit hotter here than the single family market. They're definitely more affordable though. Again, higher price range here. Let's go down to pendings now. So telling a story. So pendings are homes that are under contract. We see a list price here, but this isn't the sold price. So this is just the list price when it went under contract. So median list price is $659, 203 properties under contract. Again, this market is still going pretty quickly. This is one of the areas we see more properties under contract than pretty much any other in Metro Atlanta. So this area is still booming pretty much. 35 days on market, so a little less or a little bit more than a month on market there. Going to condos and townhomes, we're looking at 487, 445 is the median list price. 22 homes under contract, and those that went under contract 16 days. So going at a pretty quick rate. Median living space, let me point this out because the townhomes that are building out here are a little bit larger than some of those other ones we find in Metro Atlanta. So it's another reason why these prices are a tad bit higher. Last two will take a little bit longer on, and that's the sold listings. So this last month we had 146 properties sell here in Cumming, Georgia. And we'll take a look at that chart, and we see, no surprise here, the rate at which we've seen homes sell, or the number of homes sold, has gone down. I shouldn't say the rate. The number of homes that have gone sold have gone down just because there's less homes on the market here. And we see the seasonality in this chart, but still selling at a pretty good rate. If I go back to the median sales price, we see a steady trend upwards here. I mean, the slope goes stronger here in this 2019 to 22 than from maybe 22 to 24 right now, leveling off some, but still going in an upward trend here. So 617,500 is the median sold price for this last month. 98.27% sales to list price ratio. So people that are listing their homes for the median, they're getting close to what they're listing it for. 21 days on market. So we're talking about 3 weeks. This chart helps you when we look at active homes of homes that haven't sold. We see those days on market being the 50, 60 days versus the ones that are selling in the 21 days. It gives you an idea both on buying and selling side, what homes may be overpriced. That's why they're sitting longer and going over this days on market, or homes that, just came on the market. Maybe, you keep it there. So the 21 days is kind of a area to look at in general when you're seeing, hey, if my home's on the market for 21 days, no offers, we've just been sitting there, now it goes 28 and more, you might start considering maybe having to drop your price. If you're looking to buy a home and you see it's on the market longer and longer, you can start thinking about maybe it needs a price drop and you can offer lower on it. So that's how these charts in general help you out. Specifically, if you're looking to buy or sell a home, you really need to get into the even more hyper local. We're talking about neighborhoods, we're talking about school districts, and really seeing what's happening in those specific areas to see, if the price is right or not. I'm looking at condos and townhomes. 385 is the median sold price here. 15 homes sold that are condos and townhomes in this area this last month, with a 97.06% sales to list price ratio here. We're only 16 days on market for those that are selling. So the ones that have sold going a little faster for condos and townhomes, definitely more affordable here. If you really want to get in this, good school district as a family, but you need something more affordable, that townhome could be the good idea to look at there. Again, more affordable, going quicker. So look at this median sales price again, upward trend till about 2023. We can see it's going up a little bit, but kind of leveling off here when it comes to this market. Seen that a lot of areas in Metro Atlanta where the townhome condo market starting last year and definitely into this year kind of leveling off more. Month supply of inventory. So these are not just how many homes are on the market, but at the rate at which they're being purchased at it as well. Only 2.87 months of inventory, still solidly in the seller's market here. Yes, that's up from last year by 50%. But last year we were sitting at, where are we at? 1.82 months of inventory. Now we're at 2.87, still very much. I mean, we can see the trend is going up. That's good. We got more homes, coming to the market, or just less people buying, or a combination of both. So as inventory rises, we will see prices leveling off more. Again, the big battle in Metro Atlanta and Cumming, Georgia's, and not any different than anywhere else, is you got the battle of inventory versus interest rates. Interest rates are higher, that's trying to bring the prices down, but inventory's low, that's trying to bring the prices up. Those are battling against each other, which again, I think seeing in this next year, if that stays the same, we're going to see prices really level off. Condos and townhomes, not too much of a difference here, 2.83 months of inventory. Like in most markets, we've seen a big jump starting this last spring of this year to now of inventory. kind of a kick up. A lot of that's new construction playing a factor, and it looked like a number of condos and townhomes people were trying to get rid of at a higher pace maybe than single family homes. So that's what's happening here. Not too much craziness, but still very much in a seller's market. All right, that's the Cumming Georgia real estate market. What are you thinking? What are you seeing here? Do you see something that was surprising to you? If you got a comment, I'd love to hear it. Drop it below. If you like this video, got something out of it, then don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Love to hear from you. If you are looking to purchase a home or sell a home here in Cumming, Georgia, now or in the near future, my contact information is below. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'd love to talk with you more about your specific home and how to get it sold for the best price, or if you're buying a home, how to get the best deal out there. So with that said, keep a watch and an eye out on my next drip videos that are dropping weekly about other metro Atlanta areas. We're talking about also counties. We're doing those breakdowns. We're doing a breakdown of all of metro Atlanta, as well as just doing tours of these different areas to give you an idea of what it's like to live in these different cities in metro Atlanta. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.